Look at me. Look, I'm phoning for help. I'm phoning for help. Look at me. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. What's your name? Okay. I'm trying to help you, okay? Tell me what you want me to do.
What's he think we picked him up for?
I reckon he thinks he's sus.
Must have been picked up on sus a few times then.
He looks like the sort of bloke you would.
Wheel him in then. The kind of man whose company is desired?
Yeah, well, cops desire it.
I think I'm gonna like you, Mr. Delroy.
Fun over, I'm going. There's no crime, so...
Actually, there has been a crime tonight.
You must come across a lot of those in your job.
She died tonight. At 8:15, your wife died.
What do I gotta do to get you to leave with me, Noreen?
I don't reckon you need to beg.
I've been waiting too long. Begging's going to be my only option.
Bet you say that to all the girls.
See, you do that every time. I try to be...
How long have you been able to talk anyway?
Since I came off the Massey Harris assembly line, Bridge City, Texas, June 6, 1953.
Why have you never talked before?
You ask a lot of questions. Come closer. Why? You scared of me?
You ran over Barry. Killed him too.
That's right. Would have run over him again uphill if I could have.
Why? He never hurt anyone.
Come closer and I'll tell you.